Me and my friend are here to tell you a deeper understanding to freediving this week. We are at Deep Week, which is one of the largest freediving events in the world, hosted by Erin Stern and so many other famous, very impressive freedivers. We're going to be talking about freediving and if it's healthy for the mind, body, and soul. You're holding your breath, you're going underwater for as long as you possibly can. Is that good for you? This week's Deeper Understanding.
I think that I should warn you. There's something about to change. We're standing at the border where history is made. We're cranking up the lights now so everyone can see. It's all happening right now. We're gonna make you believe. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. To show you why they fear us. Here comes the battle cry.
Go Equalize! So Deep Week is basically a big freediving festival. So we get a bunch of, at this Deep Week we have 88 students and we have 40 instructors. And so we get everyone together for like this big week of like workshops and diving and fun diving and just generally hanging out. So it's a big, fun freediving festival. It's the biggest freediving event in the world. On a competitive level, it's all about how deep you can go. But anyone that goes for a swim in the ocean or a pool or any body of water and holds their breath and goes underwater is a freediver.
For me, freediving is just such a beautiful sport because everything that you do is in the now. You have to be completely present. You can't think of anything else that's happening in your life. Your phone is away, you're 20, 30, 40 meters underwater and it's just you.
So you're down there underwater on one breath and a lot of stuff comes up into the mind, a lot of doubt and fears and stuff like that. And so it's almost like a place where you're kind of accelerated into unpacking that kind of stuff. I always thought I was a really laid back person and I am, but I didn't realize actually how much tension I still carried in my body and maybe the quality of my self-talk. Until I started really taking myself underwater and the only voice or the only thing I could hear was really the things I was saying to myself. And so that brought me a lot more awareness about how kind or not kind I was being to myself, how much letting go physically really helped letting go mentally.
Physical health will be some kind of basis so that you can freedive safely. But then you can really use freediving first to get toward a healthier way of life. Little by little I feel way more relaxed in my everyday life. And I think that impacts my health. I'm not sick anymore as much as I used to. The last time I had health issue, I don't even remember when it was.
I had a lot of PTSD, anxiety and depression, and then I got into this sport and it helped me cope with everything I went through, which was amazing, and it's just changed everything. I couldn't even get out of bed for 2 years. I got up to 100 kilos, I was very unhealthy, and the sport has just changed my life.
To actually really progress in freediving, I started thinking about how to react. I started applying in my everyday life that kind of mental patterns so that I don't get pissed about anything anymore. I used to be a bit more short-tempered than I am at the moment. And I think that came from this reflection about how to improve my freediving and then expanding it to your whole way of life.
I have to believe that I can do this and I have to have that sense of belief in myself and definitely be okay with what I'm asking of my body. And freediving is almost like a tool to maybe unlock some stuff that you're holding on to.
Chicken dinner.
45, damn. Where did you start out at the beginning of the week?
Where was that? 36, I think. So, pretty happy.
31 meters. Really good. Happy days.
Woo, high five.
Yes.
Yeah, your feet were deeper than me too, so you went deeper than that.
Oh. We count where the feet end up?
Oh, any part of the body. It don't matter.
There we go.
Just made it home, guys. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how far you have gone underwater. Scuba diving does not count. I would like to know. I didn't make it past 8 meters because I had a sinus freaking pinch right here on my eye, and I'm working on it really hard because it was ultimately very frustrating. Tyler, though, guys, made it to 25 meters. I mean, that is insane. And congratulations to everyone else who was at Deep Week, guys. Y'all did incredible. Like, so it was just so cool to experience this.
It was a lot of fun.
In the description below is everyone's information that I interviewed. All of the information about Deep Week. They have one coming up in the Philippines. I don't know if they have any spots left because
I wish we could go.
It's a pretty amazing event. So check that out and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week on Sunday. Deeper Understanding.